So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your GTA 5 when you launch the game. It says a game is already running, or Epic Store says that your game is already still running in the background, and your laptop still lags after you closes your GTA 5. Now in order to fix all that, all you need to do is to just simply right click on the start menu and go to the task manager. Now, inside here in the task manager, you need to go to the section of performance. Inside the performance, you will see that definitely your memory and disk has been consumed because there is a little process of GTA 5 that is running in the background already. All you need to do is to just simply in this search bar, you need to search for Grand Theft. And if any of the file related or any of the process related to GTA 5 that is already running in the background, you need to manually stop them. Once you hard code end the process for that, for example, you can right click and end the process. Once you do that and you restart the game, you'll notice that all your issues related to that will definitely get solved.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.